Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to share location on WhatsApp from Google Maps. So first I'll go ahead and open up my Google Maps. Okay, here it is right here. So I'll click on that. Now, you can also share your home location. So if I come and click on you, if I click on home, all right, this is my home location. I can just click on share here. Okay, this icon. Also, this one is available as well. Just go and click on any. And then I can come here and click on this for a specific contact, maybe you frequently go ahead and deal with, or I can scroll down here and click on WhatsApp. Okay. And then you come here and just send it to anyone. Let's say you want to send it to this person. I just tap on his name and then I click here at the bottom right on this icon and it will send them this exact location. And then if I go back to Google Maps, come here, and let's say I want to send a location of another place, maybe this coffee house right here. So I'll tap on that. Okay. Go ahead and tap on this coffee house. So I'll go back right here to explore page, tap on the coffee house, and I can share this location as well. Just click on share and just follow the same process. As you can see right here, go ahead and share with them. And it's really that easy and simple.